watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. Okay, so let's begin with the vocabulary preparation. I hope you guys are preparing for your exams, and before starting this video, I just want to ask you all to sit with a pen and paper and note down all the words so that you don't have to go back again and again with the video. And do let us know in comments if you have any other queries or doubts. It's going to be helpful for us and I'll make all of those videos for you. Okay, so now let's start with vocabulary for today. So the first word that we are going to learn today is enervate. Okay, so what do you mean by enervate? Enervate is weakening or feeling drained. Okay, feeling drained. You have no energy. You are completely exhausted. So feeling drained of energy or wearing out, or you are feeling very weak. So that is when you say you are enervated. Okay, the synonyms or the similar other words that mean the same are exhaust or prostrate or devitalize or fatigue. Okay, or desiccate. Okay, so just remember DESICCATE and not double S. Okay, so these are the synonyms of the word enervate, which is exhaust, prostrate, devitalize, fatigue, and desiccate. Okay, so enervate is weakening. Now the opposite will be you have a lot of energy, right? So the opposite or the antonyms of the word is invigorate. Okay, you have lots of energy, stimulate, energize, and revitalize. Okay, now moving ahead with the next word for today is prodigal. Okay, what do you mean by prodigal? Prodigal is when you are spending money very freely and recklessly. You don't care about the money. You are a person likes to just you are a spendthrift, you like to just spend money without thinking much. Your hands are like very free when it comes to spending money. So that is when you called a person he's a prodigal. Okay, synonyms of the word would be spendthrift and profligate. Profligate again means wasting. Okay, using it very freely and recklessly. Antonyms of the word, like if you are a spendthrift, you are using a lot of money without thinking, you are very freely and recklessly using money. So the opposite will be you're saving money, you are very economical. Okay, you are caring about the money while you spend. So antonyms will be thrifty, economical, parsimonious. Okay, parsimonious again means that you are not spending it freely and you are very concerned about whether you should spend or whether you should not spend, and you're always saving money. Okay, so okay, it is not used in a very good connotation. Parsimonious is that you're not very free to open, and sometimes you tend to be that cross that line and be that extra person who is just saving it and not willing to spend money. Okay, so it is not used in a good connotation, slightly negative connotation, that okay, this person is a very parsimonious person. That means he's not going to take out his wallet. Okay, in short. So yeah, so parsimonious, thrifty, economical, and frugal. Okay, you don't waste money, you're spending it very carefully. So frugal is still used in a very positive connotation, but when I talk about parsimonious, slightly negative connotation. Okay, next is pusillanimous. Okay, pusillanimous means you lack courage. Okay, you are scared, you don't have the guts to do something, you are always low on confidence. So that is when you say that the person is pusillanimous person. The synonyms of the word pusillanimous are coward, timorous, timid, and craven. Okay, coward, you say the person is coward, he doesn't have the courage to do something. Timid, timorous. Okay, TIMOROUS, and craven. Okay, again moving to the antonyms of the word, you are coward, you are lacking courage. So a person antonym will be you are very courageous, or you are dauntless, or intrepid. Trepid means you fear something, and intrepid means you are fearless. Okay, gallant, courageous, valiant, and valorous. Okay, valorous, VALOROUS. So these are the words that display your bravery, courage, and pusillanimous is opposite of it. So you lack courage, and these are the words which tell you that you have a lot of courage. Okay, now moving ahead with the fourth and the last word for today is inchoate. Okay, what do you mean by the word inchoate? Inchoate means undeveloped. okay, something which is still nascent and still budding. Okay, maybe you can say that, plant, when you actually plant a seed, so it is in the inchoate stage. Okay, it's undeveloped, it's budding. Okay, so the synonyms of the word would be inceptive or nascent, aboning, and budding. Okay, so inchoate is still undeveloped. When I talk about the antonyms of the word, so the antonyms of the word would be advanced, developed, or evolved. Like, a full grown plant is developed or evolved. So inchoate means undeveloped, and antonyms will be advanced, developed, and evolved. And some of the synonyms of the word inchoate or undeveloped will be inceptive or aboning or nascent and budding. Okay, so these were the 4 words that we learned today: enervate, prodigal, pusillanimous, and inchoate. If you have not written down the words, or if you're still confused, this is the time. Just go back, scroll back, go to the start of the video and note down all the words. Okay, it is going to be helpful for your preparation. This is Aishwarya signing off, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Do let me know in comments how did you guys find the video, and if you click on the bell icon that's there, then you will get notifications daily. Okay, so just comment below and like and share it with your friends. Bye bye.